Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. Today our topic of discussion is coefficient of determination or R square. To understand topic of coefficient of determination, first we learn the types of variation in regression modeling. Total variation. Here is the definition of total variation. Variability among the values of dependent variable. If we have a mathematical equation and we have the dependent variable is y and we want to determine its variability or the total variation in dependent variable, this is called total variation. It has further two categories: unexplained variation, explained variation. What is unexplained variation? The variation which fail to explain the regression line. And what is explained variation? The variation which is explained by the regression line. Here is the mathematical form of these variations. Total variation, dependent variable y minus its mean y bar, and square term, and summing this term, we get total variation. Unexplained variation, it is also called error term. We subtract estimated value from the observed value, square and sum. And for explained variation, from estimated value minus mean of dependent variable, square and sum. Here we understand these variations through graph. This is x variable independent variable, this is y variable dependent variable. This green line shows the y bar and this red line shows the straight regression equation or straight line. This line intersect on y-axis at this space, so this is the intercept, and here is the estimated value y cap is equal to a plus bx. So unexplained variation, we see the formula of unexplained variation y minus y cap. This area shows y minus y cap. This is the y cap. Y minus y cap. So this area is unexplained variation. Explained variation y cap minus y bar square. Y cap minus y bar. So this is explained variation. And this blue dotted line show total variation. Y minus y bar. Here we see y minus y bar. So y minus y bar square. So this is the total variation. Now we move towards coefficient of determination or R square. What is coefficient of determination? Here is its definition. It measures the proportion of variability in the value of dependent variable explained by the linear relationship with independent variable. If we have linear relationship with dependent and independent variable and we wants to determine the variability of dependent variable on the behalf of independent variable, we solve this with the help of coefficient of determination. For sample estimate, it is denoted by R square, and for population estimate, it is denoted by the symbol rho square. Here is its mathematical form. R square is equal to explained variation but our total variation, and here is its formula: sum summation y cap minus y bar square, estimated observation minus mean square and sum. This is the explained variation and this is the total variation. And we also solve this through another formula: r square is equal to 1 minus, because r square has range from 0 to 1, so if we subtract unexplained variation but a total variation to 1. So we can also obtain the formula of r square. Here is its graphical form to solve the above said formula. If we have the formula 1 minus summation y minus y cap square over summation y minus y bar square, how we can solve this? We first see this term summation y minus y bar square. If this is the mean y bar blue line, and this red line shows the straight line, this line intercept here, this is the intercept, and it is its estimate y cap is equal to a plus bx. This is first error term e1, x1 or y1 point situated, this is the difference from the predicted or estimated line. Here is the e2, this is the difference, and this dotted line show the e and last point difference. So y minus y cap square is equal to e1 square plus e2 square plus so on en square. You can get the value of summation y minus y cap square. In other words, we can say that what is e1, y1 minus a plus bx1 square. A plus bx1 is y cap, y1 minus y cap 1 square plus y2 minus a plus bx2 is y2 cap square plus so on. Similarly, yn minus a plus bxn square. You can see y1 minus this estimated value y1 cap, y2 y2 minus y2 cap, this is the difference. So on this set you can on this method you can solve summation y minus y cap square. And to solve summation y minus y bar square, y1 minus y1 bar, y1 minus y1 bar, y2 minus y2 bar, the difference of this point. So you can solve summation y minus y bar square putting this observation, and you get r square value. Here is range. If all observed values fall on regression line, then y is equal to y cap. The total variation summation y minus y bar square is exactly equal to explained variation. You can see if our y is equal to estimated y cap, and put this y cap here, and this is equal to this explained variation, so r square is equal to 1. If our predicted or estimated value y cap is equal to y bar, then you put here y bar. This term explained variation is 0, and 0 over something is 0, so r square is equal to 0. So this reason the range of r square is 0 to 1. Here is its interpretation. If r square is equal to 1, it means 100% variability in dependent variable explained by independent variable. If r square is equal to 0, it means no variability in dependent variable explained by independent variable. If r square is equal to 90%, it means 90% variability in dependent variable explained by independent variable, and 10% is unexplained variation due to chance. Thanks.